Hello, awesome tubers. How's it going? I'll let you know how it's going over here. It's going really stormy. Stormy. Massive Missouri storm part 4? Lots of storms going on lately. But awesome tubers, this is going to be a really short vlog. I'm about to have to go into work. I'll work until 2 a.m. You know, I have a job unlike Jason Funny. He doesn't work. He just does YouTube videos. And his buddy Chad, neither one of them work. They both just get government checks. And they and then, you know, they go around these trips, and, you know, if you really need a check, there's nothing wrong with that, you know, but these guys, they don't really need the check. They're just collecting it, you know, and they prefer to be lazy, which that's not me. I like to work a job. But anyways, it's gonna be stormy, awesome tubers, as you can see. Let's get some better looks at the clouds here. Turn the old camera around and look at the sky. And there's a big storm coming on the radar, which I'm about to show y'all right here. Alright, awesome tubers, look at this storm on this radar. It's huge. That's a massive storm. That storm is bigger than Jason Funny's mouth. Oh snap. But yeah, we are under a severe thunderstorm watch, as you can see. There's been a lot of storms going on lately here in Missouri. I say it's due to climate change and global warming. But Jason doesn't believe in that kind of stuff because, you know, he doesn't necessarily have the brain cells. But, you know, he is my arch rival, so I try not to take it too hard on him, but he has challenged me because in his last video, he really called me out, so. But check out the storm, awesome tubers. It's pretty crazy. You only can get this kind of footage on the David Awesome channel. And that's a massive storm right there. Anyways, like I said, my arch rival here on YouTube is Jason Funny 42. His YouTube channel is KJLW42 if you want to go check out my competition. I mean, if you can even call it competition, because my videos are way better. And I will be keeping track and keeping an eye on the storm. I'll be filming throughout the night if it gets worse. And because I like tracking storms. And like I said, it's looking pretty iffy right now, so. Bolt your doors down, there's a nader coming. I ain't scared of no naders. I'm from Missouri. We don't run from naders, we ride them. Since this is official vlog, my collection of the day is my girlfriend.
Oh. Okay. Hello, I'm Crazy Ginger.
She's a great addition to my collection. Even though she just recently dyed her hair. How you doing today?
I'd better if you wasn't filming me with my makeup all underneath my eye like it is. The real.
Well, you look fine. Yep. Got the apartment all decorated. Watching some South Park.
Yes, I think I'm having a genius moment.
Genius moment. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
I guess Jason Funny's picking me up tonight at 2 a.m. so I'll film him some, and hopefully he's not late. You better not be late, because I'm not waiting on you. If you wonder why I'm freaking out, you would know, because Jason Funny drives like a grandma. But I just kid, I guess he's an okay guy. Starting to pick up, awesome tubers. You only can get this kind of storm footage on the David Awesome channel. Look at that, wow. It's gonna be a doozy. Whew. Wind's picking up. I have to go to work in this. This should be against the law right now. Wow. Yeah, it's picking up. This is storm chasing on the David Awesome channel. Look at this massive storm. We'll be following this all night. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Jesus Murphy. And the wind's blowing the door open. Let's zoom in on the clouds. Back up a little. Yeah, it's really windy. Oh shoot, it blew the poster off. Better just keep the doors closed.
I can't open it.
Yeah. It's so windy out there. It blew the poster down. Jesus Murphy. Big old storm cloud. Alright, off we go. Windy out here.
Bobby,
He's inside.
staying safe.
Yeah.
Lots of looks in the weather.
Yeah, no, it's getting pretty nasty out there. Did you have a good day?
Yep, good day.
Yeah. Jason's gonna get me tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 'cause I get off at 2, so
It's a nice soda thing.
Yeah.
That was real nice.
that way you don't have to
Do
get
that
out
so I
late.
don't have to
Yeah.
get out. You know which work.
So awesome, tubers. That was just a joke about my girlfriend being the collection of the day. So here's the real collection of the day by Chewbacca. Monster Chewbacca. Kind of looks like Webby. But no, this is a monster mashup series. It's really nice. I like it. From 2010. So it's gotten about 19 years old. Still in really good condition. A nice patch of flowers we got growing out here in our backyard. Nice little thing to look at. Some eye candy. Nature eye candy. What is up, awesome tubers? Just got off work. Worked the graveyard shift. Looks like it's about to storm again. Massive Missouri Storm Part 5. Good morning.
Good morning.
Crazy Ginger in the easy.
I'm awake and not killing people this early. Yay.
Aren't the clouds pretty? I like to zoom in on this camera. The birds are all chirping.